In default, if you long press the action button, I mean the silent button previously, it will turn on the silent mode. If you again long press, it will turn off the silent mode. This is default function on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max or even iPhone Air. So how to change that to any other options? Let's see. So head to settings and scroll down a bit. Open action button. In default, it will be selected like this, silent mode. Here you can see so many dots which represent a individual page or option. So if you move left, you can see this is focus and camera, torch, voice recording and Shazam. So translator, magnifier and controls option. I mean control center option. So there are lot of different options here. So the thing is very simple. If the silent mode page was selected, this action button will be used as silent button. If you swipe left, if this focus was selected, this action button was used as to turn on and turn off DND mode, I mean focus. Then if it is selected to camera, and this button will act as a camera button to turn on the camera and capture the photo. So this is the thing I show you. In default, it will be selected to silent mode. If you press, silent mode activated, again long press, deactivated. So focus, I selected to focus. If I long press, DND will be activated. If I long press again, you can turn off the DND. Same goes to any options. It's selected to torch. If I long press, you can see again. That's it. So actually one important feature you need to know is you need to move this to controls and choose a control. Then click the search and type whatever you would like. You can add any of this feature to act as a action button. So let's say if I selected dark mode, then back, now it's selected. So if I long press the action button, dark mode activated. If I long press again, dark mode deactivated. So it's cool, right? You can also use the shortcut and accessibility. So there are a lot of options here. You can use any of those options. But basically the thing is you need to select any of this screen and just click back, then it's selected. That's it. So this is how you need to change the action button on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max. And if you want to know more videos about iPhone 17, watch this playlist.